Hello friends, this is a tutorial to how to record a Google Meet using Android devices. So for that we need a Kiwi browser. So to install a Kiwi browser, go to Play Store, search for Kiwi browser and you'll find this interface. Now you need to install from this where there is open written in your screen. It will be written as like install, so you install it from there. After installation, open it. So this is the first interface, blank interface. Create a new tab. After creating a new tab, what you need to do is open Google, and in the search bar we need to download two extension. First is Google Meet and next Google Meet attendance. So this is a Chrome extension and already I have installed it, so I don't have any problems, but you need to install it from the web's Chrome store. So there is one more way to go to the to install it. So take you to there. Need to write Chrome Chrome extension, search it. So this is the Google Chrome extension web store, and in the search bar you need to write the Google Meet attendance. And the second extension that you need to install is visual effect for Google. So write visual effect for Google. Visual effect for Google and search. So you'll find this kind of extension as I have already installed it. So at that time you'll find like add to Chrome part over here, so install it also. After installation of all both the extensions, you need to close the Google. And now what we need to do next, browse, then open a new tab, click on the three dots, choose desktop site, then write meet.google.com. So go for it, start or enter a new meeting. So I'm here writing a nickname, dummy 123, and then continue. When you just continue with the meeting, when you just meet, you the link for the wait a minute. First thing you need to do is you need to click on the settings of this attendance meet and check in the three boxes: monitor attendance, automatically remove previous meet check, and autosave in the CSV file. So you need to check in for these three boxes by clicking on the box and then close it. And need to restart because my mic is not working in this, but never mind, my work will be over. So what next I need to do is join meeting. As I join the meeting, I can see these three dots over here just next to present now on the extreme right downward. Click on that, and record meeting, give the permission accept, and now the meeting is recorded. So like this we can record the meeting, okay, as well as we can have the attendance also using the very same browser, very same meeting. So I hope I'm able to reach you all. Thank you so much.